Hello, good morning. JBTeguihanon here. Pag-aralan po natin ngayon yung ating engineering mechanics, statics pa rin tayo. At meron tayong problem na re-reviewin. So sabi rito, a high voltage power line in the figure is attached to an insulator which is held by 3 bars. Tatlo yung bars niya. Okay. Ito yung 1, 2, 3, no? Tapos siyempre naka-attach sa wall. The tensile force Z, ito yung tensile force Z, dalawa, in the sagging power lines, nakasag, no? At the insulator is to 1,000 Newton. Determine the magnitude of the three forces in the 3 bars. So pag sinabi niya saging, kunyari straight line to. Ito yung yung pull. So may wire ka dyan. Diba wire? So mahaba yung distansya, meron na naman siyang diyan siya nakasabit kumbaga. Pag sinabing saging, dito na siya. Lumundo kumbaga. Ngayon sa paglundo niya, ito yung ating bracket, di ba? Yan. Yan, nakaganyan. Pag titignan mo sa front view, so may force yan dito. Meron ka na naman dito to another pull. So itong sinasabi niyang Z, hindi yan. Yan yung Z. Diba? Nakaganyan. Pag tinignan mo this side, yan. Ito tingin mo, front view. Okay, you're seeing this. Sa front view, ang nakikita mo dyan, ito sa itaas. Yan yun. Yung bracket. Okay, so yan yung bar number 3, number 1 dito, number 2 dyan. Okay, that's the idea, and this is actually your Z. This is your Z and your Z. So tanong niya dyan, determine the magnitude of 3 forces in the 3 bars. So may 3 forces ka ngayon dito sa bars. Okay? So yun yung ating figure. So ngayon, siyempre gagawa tayo ng free body diagram. Ito na nga yung ating free body diagram. Free body diagram. So pagdating natin sa statics, lagi po tayong gagawa ng free body diagram. So yung equilibrium at the insulator yields plane sub-problems. Okay, so meron ka ritong S, dalawang Z sa left side, Z sa kanan. Naka-angle yan ng 15 degrees. So, yun din yan dyan. 15 din yan, 15 dito. Sa kanan, 15 din sa left side. Okay, this is your point B. Okay, so magsa-summation ka kagad. Summation force is vertical. Pagka pa-vertical is 0. So, tingnan mo kagad yung mga forces mo pa-vertical. So, ang pa-vertical mo is kanan, pataas, positive yan. Minus dalawang component, Dalawang component nito. kukontrahin kasi yan ng component ng vertical nitong Z na 'to. Pababa yan, eh, tsaka dito. So, 2Z tapos anong component ng 2 ng Z mo is of course sine ano, yung binigay niyang angle which is 15. Okay, that is equal to 0. So, kuha mo na kagad yung S. S is equal to, transpose mo lang yan sa kabilang side. So, that is 2Z sine 15 degrees. So, given ba yan? Of course, plug in mo yung ano dyan. Plug in mo yung given sa Z. Okay, which is 1,000. So, it will give you approximately 517 Newton. Okay, 570 Newton, that is your S. Okay? Ngayon, with the now known force ng S, yung three forces in the bar result from the three equilibrium conditions at point A. So, meron ka na nito, eh. Nakuha mo na ito, eh. So, pupunta ka ngayon sa original na situation, which is pinapahanap sa iyo yung bar 1, diba? Bar 3, ito yan, eh. Ito yung bar 2. So, mayroon kang S. S mo is ito. Okay? Kumbaga, dito na yan. Yan. So, kumbaga nahati, no? Na-distribute sa bars itong S mo. Okay, so may mga angle yan. Angle alpha, angle beta. So, kapag ikaw ay mayroong coordinate na Z, kanan, sorry, X pala. Z yung vertical mo. Tapos Y yung left side. Okay, kasi three-dimensional tayo rito. So, with this free body diagram, so we can solve to the other forces in the next slide. So, dito tayo ngayon. Solve natin yun. So, okay matakot, parang marami yung figure, pero summation of forces vertical lang yan. Okay. Or unahin natin yung summation of forces X is equal to 0. Doon sa X, no? Balikan natin yung figure. So, sa X mo, what do you have in X? So, meron kang S2. 0 to. So, summation of forces mo dyan along X is 0. What you have there is S2 times sine alpha and then minus S1 minus times sine alpha pa rin, that is equal to 0. And then you have your summation of forces along y-axis is 0, then what you have is S1 cosine naman yan, alpha, tapos plus S2 cosine alpha plus S3 cosine beta. In-apply lang natin yung ating free body diagram is equal to 0. And then you will have your summation of your forces on the z-axis is equal to 0, and that is actually S3 minus, sine muna, beta minus S. So ito na yung vertical base sa ating free body diagram dito kanina. Ayan, itong free body diagram na to. Okay, so yung Z, ito siya vertical. Ayan o, S. Diba, anong pag-vertical mo dyan? Component, siyempre yung S3. Pero component yan along beta. Okay, tapos ito yung ating x-axis, ito yung y-axis. Doon sa ating mga summation forces along z, x-axis, and then y-axis. So ito yung ating free body diagram na ginamit. Okay? So now that we have this, ang pangalawang gagawin natin dito, siyempre yung geometry. Yung geometry tayo sa geometry. Ating geometry, laging yan ang tools natin, no? Gagamit tayo ng summation of forces along x-axis is 0, vertical axis is 0. Kung yan ay 3-dimensional, so that is also already F. Summation of forces along x is 0. Summation of forces along y is 0. Summation of forces along z is 0. And then, huwag natin kaligtaan yung figure, geometry. So in this case, meron tayong geometry, no? Ating geometry ay parang ganito sa y. Kung ito yung y mo, this is your y. Ang geometry mo dyan, this is your x. Okay. Ang geometry mo is that meron kang parang right angle. Ito yung alpha mo. Alpha, angle. So ito ay 3 alpha. Kung ito ay alpha, ito ay alpha rin. Yung distance yan dito. Okay. And this is actually solid line. Okay, so yan yung ating geometry. So dito, makukuha mo yung sin alpha is equal to, di ba, opposite side over hypotenuse A over 3A. That is actually 1/3 and that is approximately 19.5 degrees. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Figure pa rin to. So, I'll change the color. Okay, so meron tayong ano naman, no? Z and Y. So, ito yung Y mo, ito yung Z mo. Okay, this is Z, this is your Y. What you got there is yung ganyang figure, straight line to. I have a hard time having a straight line. Okay, so I was able to make at least straight line there. And then I have straight down there. And this is my Y, and that is Z. I have here a beta angle. This is actually L2. This is 2A. Okay, and what you got is cosine, di ba? Oh, sorry, tangent. So, ang tangent mo, B, that is equal to opposite side, 2A over L. And that's going to be equal to 2 over square root of 3 square minus L square. That is approximately equal to beta is equal to 35.3 degrees. Okay, so thus the result is, now here's the beauty, thus the result, thus S3 is equal to S over sine beta. That is 1.73 S. Plug in mo yung value ng S, then you will have 895 Newton. Ang S1 mo is obviously equal to S2. Parehas lang sila ng angle, parehas ng forces. Okay, and that is equal to negative S3 cosine beta, parehas yan, over 2 cosine alpha that is actually equal to what? S, pwede rin 2 tangent beta times cosine alpha, and that's gonna be equal to negative 0.75 S, or that is equal to negative 388 Newton. Okay, so yan yung ating S1 and S2. Okay, this is our S1, S2 equal to. So negative means they are on the left side ng ating uh, point of reference. So that's all for this video or in this video. Thank you so much. Subscribe po kayo if you think this can help you. Thank you very much. Bye.